Hello, and this is Margaret. And I'm home doing paranormal activities because I've been hearing stuff. As you can see, it's dark and I'm all alone. And this is my bathroom, as you can see. This is my son's room. Nothing's here, as you can see. This is my hallway. This is my room. As you can see, nothing here. Now my daughter's room. As you can see, there's nothing here. Now, let's start in the bathroom. As you can see. Whoa! That shit just got thrown at me. These are my daughters. I'm sure when I did the room that I left it here. Must be someone near. Now, let's go in my son's room. I can see nothing here. Nothing. Now let's go in my room. Whoa, what was that? Nothing's here. That freaking is my feet. Don't need to worry about that. Now, I'll show you just in case. Can't see anything at all. Now. Oh my god, in the hat. Now, I'll leave that here. The light is off. And I didn't even turn it off. Now, nothing's in here, as you can see. Right, I just turn that off. Show that it's shut. Now, you just saw that go on. Now, I'm going to leave it on. So I'm going to leave it there. See? Now my son's room. You can see nothing's here. Nothing's in the shelves. What was that? Didn't see anything. Let's go in there. What was that banging? I can't see nothing. Let's try it, my daughters. Nothing. I'm banging. I can't see nothing though. Can't see anything. Alright, let's try my room. I haven't seen anything yet. Apart from the light going off and the hat scheme. Bracelet, that's my daughter's. I gave this to my daughter for her birthday. And what's that? Oh no, it's the other one. I'm going to have to put this on my bed. Leave everything there on top of the hat. I'm going to try my son's again. There's nothing in here. I heard footsteps. Let's try mine. Can't see anything. Now we're gonna go into my daughter's bedroom. Just show you that there's nothing in my bedroom. Not under the bed. Nowhere around the corners. Whoa, what was that? Let's try mine. No, nothing in my daughter's. Whoa, there's a shadow. There's nothing in there. Now, ghost. I'm in the hallway. That door is just closed. I'm gonna open it now. Oh, the stuff's gone. It's gone on the floor. Oh! Door's just closed. Door's just closed again. It's outside. Should I take the risk? It's a shadow. What was that? Oh! Light's gone off. Can't find it. Just closed. Let's try again. The ghost needs to stop now. Huh? My stuff. I stuck it all on my bed. Huh? What was that? It's getting closer and closer to me now. It's a weapon. It's a knife and it's out. I need to keep that in my pocket. Look, it's getting in my pocket now. I heard banging from my daughter's. What was it? Nothing's in here. What was that? What was that? Sitting there. There's nothing in here no more. It's so scary. Right. What was that? What's that breathing? It's nowhere. Just stop. What was that? It's a shadow. There's nothing in here. Door's just closed. Now. It's the weapon I saw earlier. You even saw stuck in my pocket. It's been near me. It's touched me. It's just close. It's not here. It's not in there. It's not in there. Let's try my son. What is it? Nothing. It's nothing. Let's try it here. Oh my God. Let's try my daughter's. Small things. What's that? Nothing here. What's that? Looks like a light. Ugh. What was that? I think it's saying get out. I don't know where I'm going. Should I go? Right, I'm going out of here.